Moving into your first home is an exciting milestone, but it often comes with unexpected challenges. Whether it's assembling furniture, fixing a leaky faucet, or hanging artwork, having the right tools can make all the difference. Looking back, there are 5 essential tools I wish I'd had from day one. They would have saved me time, money, and frustration. First, a cordless drill. More than just a tool for the serious DIYer, a cordless drill is incredibly versatile. From assembling flat-pack furniture to drilling holes for shelves, it beats a manual screwdriver every time. Look for one with adjustable speed settings and an assortment of drill bits so you're prepared for any project. Second, a sturdy stepladder. Reaching those high cabinets, changing light bulbs, or painting walls becomes much safer and easier with a reliable stepladder. Opt for one with slip-resistant feet and a platform for holding small tools or a paint can. Third, a quality set of pliers. Needle nose, slip joint, and locking pliers each have their uses: gripping, twisting, cutting wires, or loosening stubborn bolts. A good set will tackle everything from minor repairs to creative projects. Fourth, a stud finder. Hanging shelves, TVs, or heavy mirrors can be daunting if you don't know where your wall studs are. A stud finder takes the guesswork out, ensuring your fixtures are securely anchored and preventing unnecessary wall damage. Lastly, a compact toolkit. This should include essentials like a hammer, tape measure, level, utility knife, and an assortment of screwdrivers. Keeping all the basics in one organized box means you won't be searching drawers when you need a tool in a hurry. Equipped with these 5 tools, you'll be ready to handle most home projects and emergencies with confidence. Investing in quality tools early on is a decision you'll never regret in your new home.